Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to mute someone on threads. Maybe you have encountered someone who posts a bit too much, or maybe their content isn't quite what you are looking for. So today I'm going to show you how to mute someone on threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your threads application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to your home feed. Now, scroll through your feed until you find a post from the user that you want to mute. Once you have found the user, simply tap on their username to open their profile page. In this page, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu below with several options. Now, to mute this user, simply tap on this mute option. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure that you want to mute this user. Simply tap on this mute post option to confirm. After that, you now have successfully muted the selected user. From now on, their posts and stories will not appear in your feed, providing you a more personalized browsing experience. There you go. If you wanted to know how to mute someone on threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to mute someone on threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.